Good afternoon, good evening to all. For today, I'm gonna cook dilis, or it says, what do you call in English? Smelts esperlans, seafood. So, dilis. In Bicol, Bulinaw. So this is the small fish. So I'm gonna cook, we call it sinaing. And then this is the banana leaves, frozen. I defrost also already. And this is frozen also, I defrost. So I need to cook everything now. So of course you need to hiwa or cut the tomatoes. So I'm gonna use 3/4 salad master for cooking sinaing na dilis. Gonna add a little bit salt. Ayun, lumabas ng maayos. You have to mix it. Tumatalon, buhay pa. Gonna add garlic. Then we're gonna start the wrapping. Start wrapping the dilis. In Bicol, Bulinaw. Tagalog, dilis. I forgot in English. So it doesn't put on the pot. So it's been a long time I haven't eat this kind of fish, or I haven't cooked this kind of fish for a long time. to be smells nice. And put a little bit water. Then cook in the lid. Cook in for 8 to 10 minutes only. Medium heat. So it's medium heat. So we have to wait 8 to 10 minutes to be done. So after 8 minutes, it's cooked already. Let's turn it off. And there you go. Check it out. There you go. Looks good. Let's taste the soup a bit. Oh wow, so yummy. It's been a long time, years I haven't eat this kind of fish or kind of cooking. So let's try the meat. It's good if it's we have rice, but I don't eat rice, guys. I only eat sometimes quinoa or brown rice, so I have to cook brown rice. So there you go. See? Yum yum. Wow. I feel like I'm in a farm in the Philippines. We used to eat like this like once a week because this is cheap in the Philippines. Cheapest fish, thin, small. Yummy. It's blend the taste of tomatoes. So 8 to 10 minutes cook. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Have a best day.